Okay, I'm going to do a time lapse on what Phos does with patina raw metal. This is all raw. There's no paint on it, nothing on it, no protection. And this is just natural flash rust from sitting in the elements. So this is phosphoric acid, Phos from Home Depot, and it's about 50% diluted right now. Just going to spray on a couple areas and then cut this video every couple minutes. So you'll be able to see the change as it goes. So this is what it looks like now, and it is 4:35. Okay, it's now 4:38, so that's been 3 minutes. Okay, so that's 4:37, so that's 7 minutes. And I'll cut it so it'll look like it just went like that, but that was 7 minutes overall. And it is 4. Okay, so that's, and here I dumped water over all of it. That's bare, clean, perfect metal. You can see there's a powdery dust on top of everything, and that is just zinc phosphate, which is totally inert. Real time. No scrubbing, no brushing, no nothing. So what happens is the phosphoric acid goes after the iron oxide, the rust, and it converts it to zinc phosphate, a powder, and that's totally inert. So even if you don't rinse it off completely, it remains to continue protecting a little bit. So that was real time.